Hi friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the speed test comparison between the Nothing Phone 1 versus Realme GT Neo 2 device. So Nothing Phone 1, which has got the Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset, and in the Realme GT Neo 2, which has got the Snapdragon 870 processor in this device. And in this video, let's find out friends which phone will be having what kind of RAM management between these both phones. And I'll be using with the 10 applications. And let's see the Nothing Phone OS, which has got Nothing OS, which is kind of close to stock Android experience, and which should be pretty good regarding the RAM management. And let's compare with the Realme UI 3.0 in this Realme GT Neo 2 device. So first let's start with the basic reboot test between these both phones. Right now both phones are restarting, as you can clearly see at this moment, and both phones are 8GB variants friends, 8GB and 128GB model, which I'm trying to use. And the Realme GT Neo 2, I'm trying to enable the external RAM capabilities as well in this device, and we'll try to see. Right now you can see both phones are restarting, and Nothing and the real phone Realme as well. You can see the difference. Even if you want, you can take a look at the loading speeds as well, which phone is loading what kind of speed. So Nothing phone is taking some time to get load. I just want to do this kind of restart before starting the RAM management test, because some of the users did ask me to do this. And finally the Nothing Phone 1 seems to be kind of loading at this moment, and yes, it's loaded at this point. Nothing Phone 1, it's perfect. And right now I'll be using with this 10 applications, and all the apps should be completely clear from the background, so no apps are running in the background as RAM management. And the Realme GT Neo 2 is still taking some more time in the rebooting. Maybe after a long time I'm trying to restart the device, I guess. That's the reason it did take a lot of time to restart. As you can see friends, all the apps are completely clear from the background RAM management at this moment. So right now, as you can see, I'm trying to use the external RAM capabilities in the Realme GT Neo 2. So right now I did enable that. I'll be able to restart the device. So right now the device is restarted because I need to use the... Right now I'm trying to use with the 8 plus 5GB of RAM expansion in the Realme GT Neo 2 device. So now let's start the test between these both phones regarding the opening speeds, and let's find out which phone actually opens them quite faster. Let's start with the first application, which is a Chrome application. So not bad, both phones kind of pretty close. Now let's try to load the same Apple page, and you can see the difference. So this is a Realme GT Neo 2 and this is a Nothing Phone 1. So let's keep this page in the background. Next is a touch sampling rate, and let's draw some lines and keep them in the background RAM management as well. And next is a Flipkart. You can see the Flipkart slightly kind of loaded faster in the Nothing Phone 1, just little bit, but that's not a huge difference, but just little bit. And let's keep some random phone in the background as well regarding the RAM management. And let's go back, and next is a Myntra application. So let's open some random item in the background in the Myntra as well. So we'll try to keep this random item in the background. And next, let's go back to the YouTube. So right now you can see the loading speeds, YouTube as well. So we'll try to keep my channel in the background as a RAM management. Next is a Dalient application. So in the Nothing Phone 1, kind of pretty close as well. Not bad regarding the opening speeds. So we need to check about the RAM management. That's another thing which we need to concentrate right now regarding the RAM management, because the Realme UI is not that good regarding the RAM management. And next is regarding the Book My Show. Let's go to the Book My Show and open this. I think this application asked for an update, but let's keep in the background RAM management. Next is a Cricket application. And I forgot to update as well. That's my problem, sorry. But let's see whether that update will be staying in the background RAM management or not. So let's keep this one in the background. And final application is the Amazon application. So let's go to the mobiles, and let's try to keep some random mobile phone in the background RAM management. And in the Amazon application, we'll try to keep this phone in the background RAM management. Now all the 10 applications are completely open between these both phones, as you can see, starting from Chrome to the end of the Amazon application. As you can see, all the 10 applications. And external RAM capabilities are used in the Realme GT Neo 2 device as well. And let's start with the first application. Let's open the Chrome and let's see which phone will not reload. And both phones, same application as it is, it's there in the RAM management, not bad. In the Realme GT Neo 2, I did notice something like whenever I need to do the speed test and RAM management test, I need to restart the device because that will clear the RAM. Because in my previous videos, the phone did not perform that good because I did not restart the phone. That's the reason in this video I'm trying to restart. And right now it was able to keep some application in the background RAM management. You can see it's there, and Myntra, it's there, YouTube. Both phones like reloaded my page but did not go to the home page directly. Daily and it's there, YouTube Music, Book My Show, Cricket application, Amazon application. As you can see friends, finally with the 10 applications, both phones very close to each other regarding the RAM management thing. So that's what I thought of letting you guys know in this video. So in the next upcoming videos, I'll definitely use the 15 applications and then I'll try to perform side by side Nothing Phone 1 versus Realme GT Neo 2. But in this video, definitely both phones are pretty good regarding the RAM management using 10 applications. But in this phone, I'm getting the low RAM availability if I don't restart the device for longer time. So that's something you should know about this Realme GT Neo 2. In case if you are using, try to restart the device and you might be able to see some more RAM availability in this phone. I already uploaded the video. You can check out the playlist for more information on this topic. Meanwhile, signing off until next time, more updates and